this hope. I can hear myself think. Now every day since I woke up, I can finally see.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alina and I'm back with a new vlog. So today, so I just ordered these Gush Beauty nails and these are super viral trending nails. Plus the one I ordered, इसका जो मतलब look है काफी ज़्यादा aesthetic है. और अभी I'll be like showing you how to use it and proper everything about it. Okay. So this is how the nails looks. So this is how it looks, and I just love the packaging. So gorgeous. I don't know whether it's looking um like I just love the packaging of it. Just look at this, the pink and purple combination is so beautiful. And yeah, let's just try these. So what's in the box? First of all, let's do what's in the box. Okay, so these are the beautiful nails. Okay. Then we have this whole kit. इसमें क्या क्या है वो भी देखते हैं. Um, okay, so this is the glue. That's the glue stick. Then these are the nail clips. I don't know what are these called. Wait, let me see. Okay, so one set of nails. Then small nail filer. एक छोटा सा nail filer भी है. Look at this, how cute. And cute Eichel stick. Eichel stick. Okay, so ये stick है जिससे आप अपने nails को ऐसे पहले adjust करेंगे. How horrifying this is. I mean, this is super sharp. Then nail glue. And last but not the least, we have these nail glue tabs. Also, we have these cotton alcohol swabs. Like these are alcohol wipes. And some warning card. And this is the manual. So this was all inside this beautiful box of Gush nails. If anyone have ever tried it before, the Gush nails, then what's your opinion about it? I'm going to be trying the Gush nails for the first time. And let's begin. First of all, I just want to read this thing. This is design your dream nails. Okay, you can design your nails yourself and draw your dream nail design. Share it on Instagram and tag us the Gush video. Okay, so if you want, you can also share your own nail aesthetics. Okay, and then just share your design, tagging them, and then they'll pick a winner to have their design recreated in their collection. That's cute. Looking this good may attract compliments. That's the warning, guys. So the warning is looking this good may attract compliments. For more perks and all things Gush, shop on Atnan and all that blah. And use code GUSHABLES20 and thank us later. Applicable on minimum order value of 999. So this is not a promotion video, but I'm just telling you if you want to buy it, GUSHABLES20 you can use as a code. So this code is valid for a minimum shopping of 1000 rupees. So let's begin towards the next step, which is how to apply nails. So basically, I want to create this for my Eid look, but I don't know whether I'm going to be like wearing it on Eid or not. Let's see. But I'm like, I just want to try it first because it's not going to be matching with my outfit. But the nails are so beautiful, so I might wear it. I might not wear it. I don't know. But let's wear it right now. How to use it? That's the next step. So first of all, let's do this. The Gush guide to nailing it. Prep. Okay, first step is preparation. So cleanse and hydrate the nail of oils with the given alcohol pad. Use a wooden stick to push the cuticle back above the surface of your natural nails to roughen them. This step will make your press on stay on. Okay, so first step. Right now I'm skipping it because मुझे ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं रखना है अभी. But मैं आपको बता देती हूँ what should be the first step. ये कॉटन सॉरी ये जो अल्कोहल स्वाब है इसे निकालना है. अपने नेल्स को इससे अच्छे से आपको ऐसे रब करना. Also, you can use this and you can just adjust the nail. ये जो चीज है ना ये इसको ऐसे आप क्यूटिकल वेट नॉट क्यूटिकल दिस लाइनिंग इसको ऐसे अच्छे से थोड़ा और पीछे करना है एडजस्ट करने के लिए. ठीक है, और फिर आपको ये फाइलर से सरफेस को रफ ऐसे करना है ताकि आपके जो नेल्स है ना वो स्टिक हो जाए इसको अच्छे से काफी देर तक लाइक लॉन्ग लास्टिंग स्टिकिंग रहे. So this step I'm right now excluding it because I'm just making this video to show you all about it, like what's in the box and how to apply it. But when I'll be like wearing it with the outfit, I'm going to be doing a proper thing. So step 1 is preparation. Step 2 is select. Size your nails with the press-ons, making sure your natural nail is fully covered. Lay the selects aside. ठीक है, उसके बाद ये जो प्रेस ऑन है, ठीक है, ये आपको अपने नेल्स के साथ मैच करना है, जो भी आपके साइज का है, जैसे छोटे साइज का भी है, बड़े का भी है, तब तो अपने हिसाब से आपको इसे सिलेक्ट करना है अपने नेल्स के लिए। एंड देन मूविंग फ्रॉम थंब टू pinky, apply a small dot of glue to the base of the tip and the fingernail. Okay, alternatively you can use the glue tabs and stick them on each nail. Okay, so there are two things. Okay, there are two ways how you can apply these nails. Okay, whether you can use these glue tabs. Okay, just take according to your own size and just stick it. Okay, very simple. The other method is just use this glue. ऐसे अपने नेल के बेस पे लगाना है इसे और बस उस पे फिर अपने नेल्स लगा लो. So ये दो तरीके हैं, एक ये. तो जो भी आपके लिए suitable हो वो आप यूज कर सकते हैं. I think right now I am going to use this method because this is convenient. ये थोड़ा मतलब अगर आपको लॉन्ग लास्टिंग करना है, ये ऑलरेडी मतलब ग्लू टैब्स बने हुए हैं तो इसको आराम से यूज कर सकते हैं. ये अभी मैं जल्दी से बता देती हूँ कैसे करना है. Then press and slip. Press firmly for 30 seconds per nail, focusing on the edges of nail. File and tamper for a clean, even look. That's it. Nail it. Okay. So सबसे पहले हम glue, पहले हम nails निकाल लेते हैं. How cute. So I'm like super excited. मेरे nails सब बहुत बुरे हो रहे हैं. So I think first of all I should just cut my nails, and I'm gonna be bringing one more gadget related to nail thing only. Also, I'm gonna be making a video super soon on these essentials, how to make a manicure bag for you at home only. So so first of all, I'm gonna be like cutting my nails properly so that these nails can fit beautifully. Okay, so it's time to just start applying the glue. But before that, I'm just gonna be pushing my uh, like the skin on base of your thumb with this stick, so that the nails can properly adjust. Okay, let's look at this. This is what you have to do. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying this glue. Oh, first I'm just going to be, wait a second. I just have to sort out the nails, like the size of the nail. This one. Okay, we want a big size nail for the thumb. This one is fitted. Again, thumb, then this, then this. Then this. Oh, this is for the little finger. Okay. Okay, so I just selected nails for 5 of the fingers. So let's begin. But before this, I'm just going to be like filing my nails a bit to make it rough. But you have to prep your nails very beautifully when you're going to be like actually using it. Right now, I'm just doing it casually. But you have to give time to this step, prepping. Now just add the glue, base. Okay, so the glue, it's such a powerful glue, just look at this. Okay, so I'm going to be applying the glue to every nail. I can just hold it for 30 seconds after applying it. Okay, so first do it like this. Don't apply glue to all the nails. Just apply to one nail and then put the nail. So this is a better thing. Yeah, otherwise ऐसे ही होगा गिरेंगे. So just do it properly. Okay. See. This is such a powerful glue. मतलब wow, just look at this. Look at my nails. Yay. Oh, I'm just loving it. Just look at this. मन कर रहा है दूसरे हाथ पे भी लगा लूं अभी. But I think अभी के लिए just this time. And this ये बिल्कुल बहुत बुरा स्क्रैच भी करते हैं जिससे कर दिस मेरे स्क्रैच लग गया. But anyway, so ये काफी अच्छे मतलब I would say such a beautiful nail, and obviously the glue is. नेक्स्ट टाइम हम ये लगा के देखेंगे. ओके, कॉटन वो अल्कोहल स्वैप. सो एक दोबारा से आई बी मेकिंग द सेम वीडियो, द सेम स्टाइल. जस्ट द थिंग इज आई एम नॉट गोना बी यूजिंग द ग्लू. वी गोना बी यूजिंग दिस in that video, or should I just make it right now? No, we'll do it later. Okay, so just look at this and just comment down कि आपको ये nails कैसे लगे हैं. And I hope that you know now how to apply these things. It's not that difficult. It's just a piece of cake. Just look at this. No, no. I feel like making some videos. But obviously it hurts a lot. यहाँ पे लगा मेरे बहुत मन कर रहा है. I just feel like just looking at it. If you want the link of Gush Beauty Nails, you can just comment down. I have like my wish link for that. But obviously you can just buy it from their site also. So your choice. Oh. Okay guys, that was all. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you guys like it. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. I'll be back with new videos super soon.